Okay, installing the SP Connect phone mount onto the Kawasaki Vulcan S. Now, there are lots of options of where you can install a phone mount. However, I've found through experimentation that if you want the phone to actually face you, you really need to mount it on the mirror stem, not the actual mirror arm itself. It comes with some of these various different size rings, so that you can fit it to the bars, but really the only place I've found it to be any use is on the mirror stem itself. So start by putting the ring over, then put the arm around the ring, take the Allen bolt, put it through the right way. Always useful. I'm sure you'll have loads of confidence in my ability to do this. And we get it mostly where we want it. I would say about there. Handlebar straight, phone is facing me, so about there. And then we tighten up the Allen bolt. Get our phone, put it on, there we go, perfect. And that is installing the SP Connect phone mount. Job done.